I've been trying to find out if I could make cheese without using rennet or cow's milk. And all the recipes I saw online and the explanations said no, you have to use cow's milk. It has to be fresh milk, raw milk. You have to use rennet, which is also from a cow. So I like to experiment, and I like to check out if what I'm reading is true or not. So believe it or not, to my surprise, I buy this soy milk powder. So I made some soy milk. You mix this with water. I usually put it in a jar like this. And I followed the cheese recipe, the one they use cow's milk for. And it actually worked. So here, let's see. Let's see what it looks like. I've already tasted it. It actually works. It smells a little like, a very gentle, delicate cheese. Not a strong flavor. I did not use any salt in it. You can. You can put herbs in it like dill. And I used 16 ounces of soy milk. And it only produces this little thing. But how much would a little thing of high quality homemade cheese taste, even if it was this small? So here's the whey, the liquid left over from it, because you have to squeeze it in a cloth and get all the liquid out of it. And the whey, supposedly, I'm calling it whey even though it's not from cow's milk. The liquid left over from this smells like a very weak, diluted, vegetable broth. So supposedly this would be good for blender drinks, for soups, maybe even for cereal. I'm thinking of putting it in my sourdough bread, instead of water. And I think that would be a very nutritious addition. Now, if you're concerned about nutrition, like you think cow's milk is better than soy milk, soy milk has potassium, calcium, protein, no cholesterol, less fat than cow's milk. And if you're not used to the taste, you'll get used to it. I mean, people get used to cigarettes and alcohol. Let's start training ourselves to get used to good things. I plan to put the recipe below. And congratulations to experimentation.